I couldn't afford a pair of Red Wings, so I went with these mock toe boots from Golden Fox, based in California, founded in 1970, and these are factory seconds, delivered to me at a cost of around £90 English sterling, and based on first impressions, extremely good value. So in terms of the unboxing, these boots are modestly but functionally packaged, nothing fancy. Once out of the box, I checked for what constituted them being seconds, and I couldn't spot anything that concerned me. A few blemishes and scratches, but in some ways this is why I like both seconds and pre-owned boots, because I'm not walking around in the first couple of weeks avoiding puddles or the dreaded first stamps. Anyway, these look and feel good, in hand and on foot. In terms of build, we've got oil tanned full grain, pigskin collar, mesh lined, Texon footboard, steel shank, oil resistance, rubber on outsole, and Goodyear Welt construction. Now a quick word about that, it's plastic and not leather welt. Will this keep me awake at night? Probably not. In terms of foot sizing, I'm a UK 10, so I went for the US 11, and I feel I should have probably went for the US 10 now. Anyway, not to worry. Basically, the clown's foot of a mock toe offers so much width that if you usually size up for width and not for length, then you're probably best going down a size, in my opinion. Sizing aside, you now have your foot in a boot that provides you with extreme comfort whilst offering protection. I've got a lot of trainers and none compare comfort wise with these boots. The leather is soft, so no breaking in, and I feel a bit cheated because basically they look so good they should hurt, surely. In terms of prep for first wear, I know some people recommend conditioning, but in my case it just didn't seem right. So I'm hoping to come back to these in a couple of months' time, give them a good old clean, give them a review. Wore them in the office yesterday, where I sit at a desk most of the day, but on the rare occasions I am stood up all day. Then these will be my feet furniture of choice, as that wedge sole is cloud-like in comfort terms. So far, I've worn these with cords and they'll go well with jeans, possibly even a more formal work trouser. But they definitely fit into the heritage style I like to dress in, or the geography teacher look, as people sometimes call it. Golden Fox, I salute you so far. My next video on these will be, as I say, in 6 months' time for a worn-in review and a look at how we care for these boots. Thanks for now. See you soon. Take care.